At Peterson, everything we need is right here on our campus. Our vertical integration gives us some unique advantages over the competition. We do our own molding, our own tool making, harness. Everything is here all together. We can work faster, quicker to respond to customer needs. We can bring solutions to the customers in a better and quicker manner. Many times in the past, my friends would ask me, what exactly does Peterson make? And I'd say vehicle lighting, and they go, oh. Not understanding that practically everything that moves on a public road, everything that moves off-road, must have lighting, and most of it must meet a certain safety standard. Peterson was the first North American lighting manufacturer to receive QS 9000 certification. You have to maintain that. It leads to continuous improvement, day in, day out. I'm delighted that we have it, and I'm delighted that we've kept up with it. Peterson always sets their standard 25% higher than the federal minimum. We build these products to last in all environments for all types of customers, from trucks to trailers to motorcycles to boat trailers to Caterpillar to you name it. We are in all of those markets around the world. I've said many times before that people are our greatest asset, but if you don't have the right people and the right culture, you're really not going to succeed. My father set the culture here. It's a family-oriented culture. The employees own stock in the company. We have second and third generation employees. We're just one happy family that works hard together to build quality products made in America. We supply them with the best equipment, the best materials that we know how to get really fine American-made quality right here in Grandview. I don't care if we're ever the biggest, as long as we're the best. That seems to have worked, and it seems to have led Peterson to the industry stature that they have today.